Hey, Sir Warrior Loft here. We got Coop 3 out. This is the whites. They still coming out. Yeah, come on, birds. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. This video's going out to Abraham. These are your whites, brother. I got a couple of yellow Mumins in there with them, but and one pair of white bars. There you go. They take their bath. To all my people from Forest Projects, I know y'all remember that blue little pool inside 23 Park. Remember, no diving, no pushing. All right, 23 Park back in the days. Wasn't a lot of water. Damn sure a lot of us. Real. 23 Park. I know y'all remember the swings and remember the swimming pool in there. There we go, right there, y'all. DJ Supreme, Sir Warrior Loft, y'all. Those are Miss Martinez Whites. She's out here sitting down enjoying her day. Say hello. Yeah, these are hers. Yeah. When breeding season is fully done, it's over, but I'm doing a little extra. But a lot of these are gonna be up for grabs, y'all. So if y'all looking for top-notch whites, I ain't saying no more. Not now. Very soon. Gotta make space for the youngins. Like this one right here with the black beak. She's nice. Oh yeah. That's them Bastin whites. A lot of them got that black beak.